proceed to the gardens of the world.
We will follow you.
Margrette.
Samahan natin si Sir. What's your name again, sir?
Jesse Saison.
Sir Jesse Saison, the operations manager of Cebu Safari and Adventure Park.
Yes.
Okay.
So you can see different kinds of hanging plants. So one of the highlights in the gardens of the world are this. We showcase the different cactus. So we have the double barrel, we have the Eve spin.
Good morning, everyone. We are here today at Cebu Safari and Adventure Park, and with me is the operations manager of the Cebu Safari. And may I know your name, sir?
Yes, Jesse Roy Saison.
Jesse Roy Saison. So we're here today at the
Gardens of the World.
What
This
are
area represents the North America. We have different kinds of cactus. We have the double barrel, the mushroom, the golden barrel cactus, the moon cactus, the coral. So these are different cactus from North America.
Amazing. So you will not only see local plants and flowers here, of course, international, because there are 7 continents
Yes.
represented by the Cebu Safari
Gardens of the World.
So what's that very long, very tall
It's a
cactus?
rat tail cactus.
Rock tail?
Rat.
Rat?
Yes. Rat tail
Rat
cactus.
tail cactus. And of course, this is from North America, so desert,
Yes.
the
yes,
desert
there's
area
plants.
of North America. So let's go ahead and proceed to the other continents. Alright. So to match the waterfalls and the ferns in this area, you can see that there's a Buddha. But can you tell us more why there's a Buddha there?
Actually, it's just an accent for the falls. But this area are the plants coming from South America. So that's why very leafy represents Brazil and different areas of South America.
So if you guys want to meditate, this is the best area here in Cebu Safari. Pwede mo mag-ampo. You can pray. Right? So, of course, we're not only Christians here in the Philippines.
Yes.
We also have we have atheists, Buddhists, Taoists. Let's go to the next part.
Yes.
Jesse, where are we now?
We are now in Australia.
We're in Australia, but I think we also have orchids here in the Philippines.
Yes.
What makes these orchids different?
This produces, you can try,
Certain
smell it.
smell?
Yeah, there's scent.
Somehow familiar. Like the kalachuchi. But yeah, it's a scented orchid.
Yes.
So of course I cannot share what scent it is. You need to come here. And so guys, visit Cebu Safari. It's located in
Sitio Turil, Barangay Corte, Carmen, Cebu.
very long, but yeah, in Carmen, in the mountain area of Carmen. But
Yeah.
that's the complete address. So we have a scented orchid here. It's fragrant, and I'm really seeing here, but you cannot see it yet. I'm seeing here in this area very colorful flowers.
These are different vanda. We get that one from different country.
What continent is this from?
For the hanging plants, it's mixed already.
Oh, I
So
see.
we have locals. We also have imported ones.
What are those hanging? Are those roots?
Yes.
Lovely. So aerial plants, and you can see that there are different colors ranging from very light purple, nude, I don't see it, peach. So guys, oh my gosh, what's this huge hanging plant over here in the blue barrel?
This is
What is this?
Louis.
Come here, Ma'am Louie. She means. So we also have an official tourist guide provided by Cebu Safari. Feel free to come, please. And can guys meet Louie?
Yes.
What's your full name?
Louis Ann Ramiso.
Louie Ann. What's your last name?
Ramiso.
Ramiso. But shortcut Louie nickname. So, guys, I'm wondering what this is. There's no name. So, guys, research. What is this plant? I'm
Assignment.
really interested.
Assignment.
That's your assignment, mga kabiyaheros. So, guys, please pardon if I speak English. I'm not really that fluent in Tagalog, but kakayanin, but not all the time. Alright, so let's go ahead, move forward. I'm looking forward to Europe, but right now we're here at the ferns area. We have here a cobra
Cobra
fern. What is
call
this
that-
fern?
Locally Manao.
Locally named as
Manao.
Manao. Does this thing, like, is this itchy or not?
No, no.
Not like the
Bajang.
bajang. That's usually katol or itchy. So I might be introducing Cebuano words to you guys. That's a bonus in this episode. I'm translating Cebuano words for you for free. So let's go ahead and feature other plants. We're here in the area where Senoritas orchids are being placed, and if you can see, you can also see, I think, cherubims or orchids, statues of kids. And I think the concept is from Greece,
Ah, yes, Europe.
from Europe.
Yes.
Can you tell? Oh my God. Can you tell me more about this area?
So this area, as you can see over there, is the Senoritas Orchid collection. So all of the flowers here are personally picked by him.
Personally picked, but is he personally taking care of these orchids?
Our gardeners, mean.
Alright, so there are gardeners assigned in each area, and dili si Senorito ang mismong nagdidilig ng mga orchids. Of course, he has a lot of things to do, but of course, since he selected all of these orchids in this area, I'll show them all to you in a bit. So grabe, so heavenly. And of course, if it's around afternoon, I've been here last week, it's really cold already around 5 o'clock, so you need to bring jackets with you guys. So let's go to the next area.
So we'll also show you his favorite orchid.
Alligator.
Alligator fish. Okay, I'll zoom it for you later on. But right now, let's focus on these
This
white
flower.
hanging flowers you see over here. What are they?
So this is the Phalaenopsis, Senorita's favorite orchid. So favorite flower.
Phalaenopsis.
Yes, yes, Phalaenopsis.
I'm not really good with science, and you know, scientific names are very difficult to memorize, but that is the Phalaenopsis, Senorito's favorite
Favorite
white orchid.
Yes.
Right, so I'll show them the fish. Paco, do you want to come? So there are around, I think, more than 5 species of fishes inside.
Alligator gar. That one is the alligator gar.
Okay.
That huge one over there is
Catfish.
the catfish.
There's a bungot. There's a mustache.
Mustache, yes.
And then
This one is the Paco. Paco.
Paco.
And the white ones are new ones. So
So it's still to be discovered.
yeah.
I think you can get large.
Better?
Yeah.
So there's a better shot in another aquarium. Beautiful statue.
Yeah. I think this is Athena.
This is Athena. And I really love her pose. It's very, very iconic. So,
yeah.
hello once again. Chill ka lang dyan. Okay, so at the back are really lovely plants. Okay, so there's another statue there at the top. Are we in Japan?
Yes.
So where are we right now?
So this area are the Asia. We highlighted the pagoda, which are the gardens of Japan.
Yeah, so I should have worn a kimono, but I did not rent it yet. So this is a good place for photo
Yes,
shoots,
yes,
right?
yes.
Especially this
This
bridge
wood-
that we are standing
Wooden
on.
bridge.
Nice. Asia, guys. So guys, we're here. Where are we? I don't know
it's
where we
part
are.
of the garden, the Michelle's garden.
It's still part of the Michelle's
Yeah.
garden.
But we showcase, as you can see in your left and right, there's more than 1 million live and blooming orchids. This is where the favorite place for those who are orchid lovers.
1 million.
More than.
More than 1 million.
Yes.
Will you have time to count them? And you can hear nearby is a stream. So I think it's supplying the water of nearby plants. So healthy, very healthy ecosystem. So I just wanted to ask about, when did this business start? When did Cebu Safari start?
Okay. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park actually started late 2017. This is not yet
3 years ago.
Yeah, this is but this is not yet open to the public. We are just accepting exclusives. Yeah. We had our blessing last December 3, and we
2020?
December 3, 2017.
17.
Yes. And then on December 8, 2017, we had our first booking, an exclusive one. So, but we opened to the public 2018.
2018.
Yes,
A
first
year
quarter.
after.
Yes.
First quarter of 2018. Alright, so I just wanted to know as well, who conceptualized this whole park?
This is conceptualized and owned by Mr. Michel Lullier.
The ML.
Yes.
Right, so I think he is very famous not only in the Philippines but all over the world, because ML is really a great brand, trademark sa mga mahilig magpadala ng pera at mag-receive. So that's a connection, of course, of people who live in like Cebu to people living abroad, working for the family. So going back to Cebu Safari, aside from conceptualizing it, what are the best attractions here in the safari?
Okay, we have several highlights. We have, of course, the Michelle's Garden and the Gardens of the World. Second is the bird show, where we showcase different birds of prey, and then it will last like approximately 20 to 25 minutes.
And of course, the birds that will be featured are all from the international countries.
Yes,
international countries,
yes.
International birds will be featured there, not only the local ones.
Yes. Okay. And then we have the African Savannah, where we showcase the animals from Africa.
Yeah, Lion King, Simba and Nala.
Yes. And also we have the White Lion Safari.
The White Lion Safari.
And then, of course, our safari camp, the accommodations. We have 8 cabins.
So the accommodation is only 8 cabins. There are no rooms for now.
There's no, but hopefully soon.
And we will let you know, of course.
Yes.
So the cabins, can you talk more of the cabins? How many packs or how many people can accommodate one cabin?
Okay, we have 4 3-bedroom cabins, which can accommodate each cabin 10 packs.
10 packs.
We also have 4 2-bedroom cabins, which can accommodate 6 packs. So a total, if you want to book it exclusively, a total of 64 packs.
Do they need to reserve like how many days ahead?
Yes, they can reserve, call our sales office a day, or best to call like 3 days prior.
3 days prior,
Yes.
Not really just 1 month prior, just 3 days, guys.
Yes.
So I was able to enjoy their accommodation last week because I was brought here by a friend, and I really love the view. The fog is heavy, and I also enjoyed the exclusive pool.
Yes.
So there's a swimming pool up in the mountain, and you will see that. Can we see it
Yes,
later?
yes, yes.
Okay, so if you're living far from Carmen, you don't need to worry. You can stay in the cabin with your family. And are you going to reveal the price range as to how much they're expected to pay?
Yeah. For now,
For an overnight
For now, we have a promotional rate of 20,349 net for 10 packs for a 3-bedroom.
And that's inclusive of
a breakfast and White Lion Safari, and of course entrance to the park.
Then you have all access to all the bird shows,
Yes.
mga animals, and you also have access to the restaurants, and of course free breakfast.
Yes.
So you don't need to worry about what to eat the next day because restaurants are here, and there's also a restaurant just beside the pool.
Correct.
So we'll take a look at we'll take a look at that later on. So now, where are we going next?
Yeah. In addition, we still have one highlights for the safari. Of course, we have the adventure park. Not only that you can enjoy the beautiful plants, the flowers, the animals, but also we have adventure rides. We have ATV. We have different trails. We also have zip line. We are considered as the second longest in the Philippines, approximately 1.3 kilometers.
I'm not sure if I'm ready for that, but we'll see.
Yeah, and then sky bicycles. We have sky bikes.
Sky bike.
We also have giant swing.
Giant swing.
We are considered also as the tallest because the height of our giant swing is approximately 110 feet.
I'm afraid of heights, so I think I'll have the ladies enjoy that later on.
So we also have more attractions to be open on the following months and on the following quarters.
Something to look forward to.
Yes,
guys.
and also the animals also. We have opening exhibits also within this
New
year.
animals.
Yes.
Oh, they're adding new animals to their roster. So guys, don't waste time. Visit Cebu Safari here in Carmen, and you will never regret a single minute of your life.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.